In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use depth of market in cTrader. Depth of market, often called DOM or the order book, shows you real-time liquidity at different prices. It helps you see where buyers and sellers are lined up, how tight the spread is, and how much volume sits behind the current price. This view is especially useful for short-term traders who care about execution quality, slippage, and identifying areas where price might pause. Start by opening cTrader. Once the platform loads, you'll see your workspace with charts, watch lists, and panels. The exact layout can vary, but we're focusing on the panel on the right side of the platform where instrument-specific tools live. Next, select the symbol you want to analyze. You can choose a major currency pair like EUR/USD or a commodity like XAU/USD. Pick something that's actively trading so the order book updates quickly. When you select a symbol, the right panel updates to show details for that instrument. Now, look to the right panel of the platform. This is the area that provides quick access to tools for the selected symbol. It typically includes tabs for different market views. You're looking for the tab labeled DOM, short for Depth of Market. Click the DOM tab. This opens the order book for your chosen symbol. You'll see a price ladder with prices stacked vertically. On one side are bids, which represent buy interest at different price levels. On the other side are asks, which represent sell interest. The best bid and best ask sit closest to the current price, and the gap between them is the spread. Larger numbers or longer bars at a price level indicate more liquidity there. Many traders watch for clusters of large orders, since those areas can create temporary support or resistance and may slow price movement. As you watch the DOM, pay attention to how the liquidity shifts. In fast markets, orders appear and disappear quickly. Thinner liquidity can mean larger potential slippage, while deeper liquidity can lead to smoother fills. Liquidity also changes with time of day. Major session overlaps usually show more activity. You've now accessed the depth of market for your selected symbol in cTrader. Open cTrader, select your symbol, look at the right panel, and click the DOM tab. With this view, you can gauge real-time interest on both sides of the market and make more informed decisions about timing and order placement. For best results, observe the DOM alongside your chart to connect liquidity with price action and volatility.